Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new products, which helps conserve natural resources and reduce environmental pollution. Commonly recycled materials include paper, glass, metal, and certain types of plastic. Recycling reduces the need for raw materials, which in turn saves energy and lowers greenhouse gas emissions. It also decreases the amount of waste sent to landfills, helping to protect wildlife and natural habitats. However, recycling requires public participation in proper waste sorting to be effective. Many countries are investing in better recycling systems to promote environmental sustainability.
The life cycle of a butterfly consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The process begins when a female butterfly lays eggs on a plant. These eggs hatch into larvae, commonly known as caterpillars, which feed on leaves and grow rapidly. After reaching a certain size, the caterpillar forms a pupa, or chrysalis, inside which it undergoes a transformation called metamorphosis. Finally, the adult butterfly emerges, ready to feed on nectar and reproduce. This cycle ensures the continuation of the species and is an example of complete metamorphosis in insects.
Penicillin, the world's first widely used antibiotic, was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Fleming noticed that a mold called Penicillium notatum produced a substance that killed or slowed the growth of certain bacteria. This accidental discovery led to the development of penicillin as a medicine, which revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections. During World War II, mass production of penicillin saved countless lives. Although antibiotic resistance is now a growing problem, penicillin remains a symbol of one of the greatest medical breakthroughs in history.
The ozone layer is a thin region of the Earth's stratosphere that contains a high concentration of ozone molecules. It plays a vital role in protecting life on Earth by absorbing most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet (UV) radiation. Without the ozone layer, humans and animals would face increased risks of skin cancer, cataracts, and other health issues. In the late 20th century, scientists discovered that chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, were causing ozone depletion. Thanks to international agreements like the Montreal Protocol, CFC use has been reduced, allowing the ozone layer to recover gradually.
Like plants, algae perform photosynthesis to produce their own food. Using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, they create glucose for energy and release oxygen as a byproduct. Algae live in diverse environments, from freshwater to oceans, and play a crucial role in aquatic ecosystems. They are primary producers, meaning they form the base of the food chain for many marine species. Additionally, algae produce a significant portion of the Earth's oxygen supply and are being studied for their potential in biofuel production.